Morning traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So we do have a validated double bottom here. As expected yesterday, we did get a second move to the downside, but we didn't break through this area here. So you can see the importance of the inside tail. Sort of, there's my first inside tail, there's my next inside tail. And if you look at it on a higher time frame, you'll more than likely see a group. Well, there's inside tails there, quite a bit of congestion here. Okay, so, and also the 200 SMA on the 3 hour, oh sorry, not EMA on the 3 hour is in play. But what basically happened is we have a bit of a consolidation pattern brewing. Okay, what I'd like to see is a little bit of a pullback back to test this double bottom break, which is 268.31. So 268.31 is what I'm looking for, an entry long, and then I'm anticipating a break through this trend line. Okay, so that's kind of my view at the moment. We do have a crossover of the alligator, but we did have a crossover of the alligator early in the week as well. I think we need to be on the lower time frames to verify this. So we had a break above the alligator here and then a quick sell-off. Here we have another break above the alligator, and we're sort of hovering on the 200 EMA. And whenever this happens, normally we break up. So I think this trend line, down trend line, is at risk today. So I do suspect we're going to move to the upside. So the short-term target for me at the moment is going to be, let's be a little bit conservative. There's going to be a break of the triangle to the upside. So first target is going to be there. Okay. And then second target is the first touch of the triangle. And the next target is relatively high up, and I just want to go to the daily to see what that means. That takes us back to the high. Okay, so first things first, we had a pin bar, and we had another pin bar, which is an inside bar. Okay, so a break above the high of yesterday and a daily close above this level will indicate a move to the upside. Now, from a daily perspective, that puts this into play. Okay, now that is 28,072. I'd actually just bring it down to 2,800. Sorry, 2,700. 2,800, yeah. So I'd be looking to take profit at 2,800. So if we do get above the high of yesterday and we get a daily close above it, that's my next long-term target, is to the upside. Next thing to worry about on the, well, not worry, but to keep in the back of your mind while you're chasing longs, is this was the consolidation pattern. That is the consolidation pattern target. Okay, so we've still got a measured move up to that level there. So your first target is 277,715. I'd say just round that down to 27,700, and then you're looking for 2,800. Okay, those are your two upside targets on the daily. If we just drill down to lower time frames, see what's going on. So it was a bit messy yesterday, tails to top, tails to bottom. I think the important thing here is that we broke through the alligator. Okay, and this double bottom here is still in play. We did pull back, but we never broke below the low here. So that double bottom there is still in play. So that kind of almost gives you another target here, which is this previous congestion from the day before. Okay, so that's kind of my view at the moment. I'm actually contemplating just climbing in with a position here long and then just keeping a relatively wide stop loss here. So I will just wait for at 7 o'clock South African time just for this one. But at the moment it's consolidating, and to me it's looking like the consolidation is going to break to the upside. So what I'm seeing at the moment is pretty much not that one. We want to go with that. Okay, so we have a bit of consolidation, and we are using the 200 EMA on the 30 minutes at the moment. Okay, so what I like to do is pop down to the 12 minute and looking for an entry. So this fractal break here on the 12 minute is an entry. It's above the alligator. Alligator is sleeping at the moment, so in other words, we're ranging or forming structure. So for me at the moment, that is the first level, and there is my downside fractal that I need to break for more downside. Okay, but I do suspect if we do break the downside, all we're going to be doing is testing this double bottom neckline, which would be a great entry, which is 26,829. 26,829. Okay, so that's kind of my view at the moment. If we do break below this fractal here, then this is the area I'd be looking to buy. Okay, so we break below the current low of the day, I'd be looking for the double bottom neckline test for my next entry. Okay, if we do break above this fractal up here, 26982, that's going to give me comfort that we're possibly going to be moving to the upside. Okay, so that's kind of my view for today. I still believe we have a potential trend change here. It could reverse again. I mean, it did it 2 days ago. So could very well reverse again, but I do suspect that we have potential for a move to the upside, even though the sellers are sitting here trying to defend this position. Okay. Anyway, that's my view. And I think the other thing which is just adding fuel to the fire is this massive green bar here, which kind of engulfs quite a few bars to the left. And whoever was buying here didn't quite sell to get out of it, so they're still holding that position as well. Okay, so that's me for today. I'm looking for longs, but obviously you want to see a bit of a pullback here or a break. And the other thing to just bear in mind is we do have this flag that's forming at the moment. Okay, so a break above a break of the flag is going to give us the measured move, which is going to be kind of the same as the double top or double bottom, sorry. So it's going to be something, let's just be realistic and say it comes down to there, and that gives me a target up here. Okay, other thing I've just spotted now is shoulder, head, another pullback and shoulder maybe. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. I am looking for longs. This does look like a potential turning point. The only thing that's going to sort of change that view is a break below the low of yesterday. Okay, and the last thing I just want to highlight before we go anywhere is the weekly chart. Have a look at the weekly bar at the moment. Yes, we've got 2 days to go still. Trend is still up. We've had this massive move to the upside, and then we've had 1 week of inside bar, another inside bar, but it is forming into a bit of a pin bar. So this could just be strong move, 2 bar consolidation before another strong move. Okay, so just keep that in the back of your mind. And the thing that is being defended right now is this previous swing high. So if we can close this week above, I think it's 28,480 if I remember correctly. 28,470. So we can close the week above 28. If we can get to 28,480, that would be ideal because that's a good close above it. I would suspect we're going to continue to the upside. And we're going to continue to the upside in this fashion here, which is a pretty strong channel to the upside. Okay, so anyway guys, that's my view for today. Hope it helps, and I'll catch you guys later. Cheers for now.